No, Francois, don't jump.
Don't do it, bro.
Enough! I deserve better food!
He just couldn't take it anymore.
Same lame meals again and again and again.
It's all their fault. Shh, he's coming. Quiet down, everyone.
Here we go again. Pasta.
Oh, I'm drowning in a sea of tastelessness.
What's that?
Oh, I've seen it on Kickstarter. It's called SPICERR.
So, what does it do?
SPICERR is an AI-powered smart spice dispenser, which allows you to elevate any dish at the press of a button. It holds 6 seasoning capsules, spices, herbs, supplements, all kept airtight so it stays fresh longer.
Oh!
You can freely add any spice or select a preset blend using SPICERR's touchscreen. Just press and your spices come out perfectly.
Yo, it has an app too?
Choose and customize any recipe or let the AI tool personalize it for you.
So I can spice up anything?
Only if you can handle it. Food, drinks, smoothies, limitless combinations.
It works.
Holy
Hey.
that's good.
Oh, get ready. This dinner is going to change your life.
Yummy!
Francois, you're back.
Oui! Finally! Something worth living for!
More, please.